Hello to all the amazing first grade students out there. Welcome to your next STEM lesson. As you maybe know, maybe you don't, and that's okay. STEM is spelled S-T-E-M. S for science, T for technology, E for engineering, and M for mathematics. Today we're going to use all four of those ideas. So today we're going to become better scientists, better with technology, better engineers, and better mathematicians. And we're going to do that while learning about time, the duration of time, and units of time. And as you've noticed, there's something counting down on the screen because we are going to begin our lesson in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here we go. So, as I mentioned, today is all about time and how time changes and how we experience time. So as it says here, time is something that we use to help us plan and get through each day, right? Your parents do it. They have to know when to go to work, when to eat breakfast and lunch and dinner, and when you have after school activities and all of that. You also use time. And I have a question. I have three questions for you. How do you use time each day? How long does it take you to brush your teeth? For me, it takes 2 minutes. What time do you go to sleep? For me, I've been going to sleep too late in the night recently, and I've been getting less sleep than I need to. So I'm going to work on picking an earlier time to go to sleep. And I use time to help me make that decision. And what time do you wake up in the morning? For me, Elena wakes up, her wake up time is much too early for me, but I don't have a choice. I have to wake up with her because she can't take care of herself. And now I have a thinking question for you. Okay, here it is. Why do people care about time? Why do adults care about time? Why do children care about time? Why do teachers care about time? I'll let you think on that. All right. You had think time. So now on the next slide, we're going to learn all about units of time. And the 3 units of time that we have to focus on, sorry, the 3 units of time we have to focus on during the day are, I'm going to say the word and then you repeat after me. Second. Very nice. Make sure you say it after me. Let's try it one more time. Second. Good. The next one is minute. Very nice. Way to repeat it. And the last one is hour. Very good. So as you are going to learn, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And there are 24 hours in 1 day. So, and all throughout the day, we are always focusing on seconds, minutes, and hours. And I'm going to give you a demonstration on what 1 second looks like. So I'm going to click my mouse, and this second is the circle is going to disappear in 1 second. This circle is going to disappear in 1 minute, and this circle will disappear in 1 hour. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa. So the 1 second is already gone. So that was the fastest unit of time, 1 second. And as you can see, the minute is also disappearing, but much slower than the second. And look at the hour. It hasn't even started disappearing because an hour is such a long amount of time compared to a second, 1 second, or 1 minute. So as you can see, the circle here is halfway through. And as I said, for 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So 60 of those circles would have to disappear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all the way up to 60. And for 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. So 60 of these minute circles would have to go away by the time this hour circle is gone. And the minute is up. So let's keep going. So my question for you is, how many can you do in 1 second? So we're going to do jumping jacks for 1 second. But before we do that, I'm going to show you this video so we can talk about the hands on a clock. So in this video, let me fast forward a little bit so the hands are apart. So in this video, you can see there is a long red hand on the clock. There's a long black hand on the clock, and there's a shorter black hand. And each one of those hands tells you a different unit of time. So this long red one here tells us the seconds. And I'll let you watch it. So as it clicks, each click is 1 second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was 10 seconds. And this long hand here tells us the minutes. So that one moves, but it moves very slowly. So I'm actually going to speed up the playback here so you can maybe see how the hand moving. So you can see the minute hand moving, but it moves very slowly. Okay, and then here we have the short black hand, and that tells us the hour. And as you can see, just like in the slide I just showed you, the hour hand moves so slowly that if you stare at it for a moment of time, it will just stay there. But that doesn't mean that time isn't moving. It just means that an hour is a long unit of time. Okay, so let me go back. So I want you to stand up, and I'm going to click my mouse, and you're going to do jumping jacks until this circle is gone. Which is 1 second. So are you ready? You're going to get in the jumping jack position just like this guy here. Are ready? I'm going to click it in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wow, 1 second, all gone. How many jumping jacks did you do? 1, 2, maybe 3? If you're super fast, I don't know, remember that number. Because on the next slide, you are gonna do jumping jacks for 1 minute. So on the other slide, it took quite a while. It took 60 seconds for the 1 minute circle to disappear. So you're gonna do a lot of jumping jacks in 1 minute. So you're already standing, you're ready to go. So maybe you did 1 or 2 jumping jacks in 1 second. Let's say how many you can do in 1 minute. Ready? Count out loud as you do it. Ready? Go. Whoa, you're working very hard. Keep counting. Keep going. So that circle is disappearing. We are 1/3 of the way through. Almost there. Keep working hard. Keep counting. Keep going. You're almost there. Keep counting. Do as many as you can. Almost there. About 5 seconds left. Ready and stop. Wow. Say out loud, how many jumping jacks did you do in 1 minute? Was it more than 1 second? Was it less than 1 second? Probably more, because 1 minute has 60 seconds. Okay, so now you are going to do jumping jacks for 1 hour. Wow, that's a long time. I hope you're ready to count super high. So I'm going to click, and you can do your jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1, go. Just kidding. That would be way too many jumping jacks. I would not even be able to count that high if I had to do jumping jacks for 1 hour. That would be very, very tiring. But I am going to have you do something else for 1 hour. And it's going to be so fun. We're going to use especially going to use the engineering skills. So my question for you is, what would you build if you had 1 hour to build it? So here's our STEM activity directions. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab some building materials. Lego, blocks, anything that sticks together. Maybe something that has magnets or some kind of building material that connects. Cardboard boxes, paper, scissors, and glue. Maybe you want to construct something and build something using your engineering skills. Or you could even grab some chairs, blankets, pillows, stuffed animals. That would be really cool. Or you could have a combination of all of those items. So your two directions are to build something for 1 hour. Use your creativity, engineering skills, and perseverance. You're going to need perseverance because 1 hour is a long time. Something might fall down and you just rebuild because you're going to make it better and better for 1 hour. And then you make a video explaining what you made and post it to your journal after the 1 hour of building time is over. So now I have some examples. Maybe you could build an entire city out of Lego and blocks. Wow, look at that. All the cars and buildings and people and train tracks. Maybe you could try to do something like that. That would be really cool. Or maybe you could build a castle out of cardboard and paper and using stuffed animals and blankets and pillows. Wow, that would be really, really cool. Do you think you could do that in 1 hour? Or maybe you could build a fort using blankets, chairs, and pillows. Wow. As you can see, there's some really big pillows. Maybe those are from the couch. There's some little pillows from your bed, and there's some blankets, and they even put lights up. Wow, that is a really cool fort. Do you think you could do that in 1 hour? I don't know, that would be really hard. Oh, another thing you could do is if you have mini skateboards or mini BMX bikes, you could build a mini skateboard and BMX park. That would be really cool. All right. Or you could build anything you want. The possibilities are endless. All right. As long as it's safe and you do it on your own. Okay, that's the key. You have to you use your creativity, your engineering skills, and your perseverance to build it on your own. But it has to be safe. Okay? So don't do anything that's not safe. All right? That's my warning. That's my tip. Don't do something that isn't safe. Okay? All right. So here we have ready, set, go. And for the ready part, you're going to think about your idea. Okay? You're going to have to think, what materials do I want and what am I going to build with those materials? Then we're going to say set, which means you go gather all the materials that you need. Okay? So is it going to be blankets, Legos, blocks, pillows, chairs, cardboard, paper, scissors, glue, or everything? Okay? So you got to go gather everything you need. And then the go is your building time. Okay? So I'm going to click on this and I want you to leave this presentation, leave this video open because the video is going to count down and then you're going to use the clock in the video to tell you how much time you have left. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to click in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! There are 60 minutes, well, technically 59 minutes and 55 seconds, but I want you to think of your idea, gather your materials, and build. You have 59 minutes and 46 seconds left. Go! Can't wait to see what you create. looks like you have 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in for your building time. So far, you have been building for 53 minutes. And as you can see, the white part of the clock is almost completely filled. So go ahead and keep building for 6 minutes and 12 seconds, and then pause when it gets to 0. And I'll tell you what to do next. All right, we are coming up on 3 minutes left. 3:06, 3:05. All right, 3 minutes remaining. Keep building. Use that perseverance to continue constructing your creation. Make it as best as you can in the next 2 minutes and 45 seconds. One minute and 45 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 1 second remaining. Keep going. 55 seconds. Use that perseverance, engineering skills, and your creativity to keep improving it. Fif- 12 seconds. Here we go. Let's count down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All done. Very nice job. Pause what you're doing. What I want you to do now is go into Seesaw, go back into Seesaw after watching this video, and I want you to post a video of you showing your creation and explaining what you made. I can't wait to see all of your creations. After you post the video, if you would like to continue building and adding on to your creation, absolutely go and do that. But only do that after the video because I want to see what you were able to build in 1 hour. Very nice job. Way to go. I loved your perseverance, your science, technology, engineering, and mathematics skills that you showed. I hope you're proud of yourself too. Bye.